This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Oh, I love a good Samsung 26 Ultra case. This comes with all the materials you need to clean off those lenses really, really well, and then add a protective cover over your camera lens. That's amazing. It also comes with a screen protector. And then you have this stunningly clear case. It fits absolutely perfectly. It's really lightweight, but sturdy at the same time. It has a magnetic ring that also can be used as a stand, either horizontally or vertically. And as a person who likes to whip out her camera for impromptu photo shoots, I love the versatility and the look of this one.